Jazri Julaso. Today I'm gonna discuss Annex 2, Regulation 5. The administration may allow any fitting material, appliance, or apparatus to be fitted in a ship as an alternative to that acquired by this annex if such fitting material, appliance, apparatus it is at least effective as thus required by this annex. The authority of this administration shall not extend to the substitution of operational methods of effect control of discharge of noxious liquid substances equivalent to those design and construction features which are prescribed by regulations in this annex. This administration, which allows by fitting material, appliance, apparatus, to that required by this annex under paragraph 1 of this regulation, shall be communicate to this organization regulation to the parties to convention of particulars thereof for their information can appropriate action in if any. Notwithstanding the provisions of paragraph of this regulation, the construction equipment and liquefied gas carriers certified to carry code shall be deemed to be equivalent to the construction equipment requirements contained in Regulation 11 and 12 of this annex, provided that the gas carrier meets all of following conditions.